Hi, welcome to this session on Mathematics, Chapter 2 Polynomials. For class 10 or grade 10, we are doing division algorithm for polynomials, and in this session we are covering exercise 2.3 question number 1. Question number 1 states, divide the polynomial px by the polynomial gx and find the quotient and remainder in each of the following cases. Answer 1, part 1. We are given dividend is equal to px is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3, and divisor is equal to gx is equal to x square minus 2. Entire division is carried out in this figure here. All the steps are shown, and I'll just state the first step. Our first step is that we take the highest degree term of the dividend, which is in our case here x cube, and then we divide it by the highest degree term of the divisor, which is x square in our case here. Based on this division, we get the term x, which is the first term of the quotient. And then we multiply this term of the quotient to the entire divisor polynomial. And in our case, we get this equal to x cube minus 2x, because we have multiplied x to the x square minus 2. Then we carry out the subtraction, and then we get minus 3x square plus 7x, and we drop down the next term, which is minus 3 in our case here, and then we add it or append it to the leftover polynomial. Then we try to find out the next term of the quotient, and in this case we first look at the highest degree term in the leftover polynomial here. In our case now it is minus 3x square. We then divide it by the highest degree term of the divisor, which is x square here. So when we divide the minus 3x square by the x square, we get minus 3, which is the next degree or the next term in our quotient. And then this minus 3 is multiplied to all or entire divisor, which is x square minus 2, and we get minus 3x square plus 6. We subtract this out and carry out this subtraction. We are left with 7x minus 9. There is no more term to bring down. Degree of 7x minus 9, that is our remainder, is less than the degree of the divisor. So we can stop our division process here, and we can say that our answer is remainder is equal to 7x minus 9, and our quotient is x minus 3 here. So our entire answer is quotient is equal to x minus 3 and remainder is equal to 7x minus 9. Answer to question 1 part 2. We are given dividend as px is equal to x raised to power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5, and the divisor in our case is gx, x square plus 1 minus x. The entire steps for the division are shown here, and therefore by this steps we see the quotient is equal to x square plus x minus 3 and the remainder is 8, and that is our answer. Answer to question 1 part 3. The dividend in our case is px, x raised to power 4 minus 5x plus c. Divisor is gx is equal to 2 minus x square, and here the dividend is shown inside the division symbol. When we carry out the entire division, we are left with minus 5x plus 10, which is our remainder here, and the quotient is minus x square minus 2, which is written over here, and therefore our complete answer is quotient is equal to minus x square minus 2 and the remainder is minus 5x plus 10.